In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gradient backgrounds in Squarespace. If you want to give your Squarespace site a more modern, polished look, adding a gradient background is a simple way to do it. Gradients can help create more visual depth than a flat color, and the good news is that you can add them directly through Squarespace's built-in custom styling area. To begin, log into your Squarespace site dashboard and go to Website. This is where you'll find the main settings and content areas for your site. Once you're there, click on Pages. The Pages section is where you manage your site structure, but it also gives you access to additional design-related options depending on your setup. From there, look for Custom Code and click into it. This area is used for adding code-based customizations to your site. If you want more control over your site's appearance beyond the standard design settings, this is usually where you'll go. Inside that section, click on Custom CSS. This opens the CSS editor where you can add styling rules that affect how your site looks. Now paste the code into the custom CSS box. This is the key step that applies the gradient background styling to your site. Make sure the code is pasted cleanly, without extra spaces or missing characters, because even a small typo in CSS can prevent it from working correctly. If you copied the code from another source, it's also a good idea to quickly double check that it matches exactly what you intend to use. After pasting the code, Squarespace should usually preview the visual change for you right away, so you can see whether the gradient looks the way you want. If it doesn't appear immediately, give the page a moment to update and then review the code again for any formatting issues. You may also want to test how the gradient looks across different sections of your site to make sure it fits well with your text, buttons, and images. And that's it. By going to Website, then Pages, then Custom Code, then Custom CSS, and finally pasting in your code, you can add a gradient background to your Squarespace site with just a few clicks. This is a quick customization, but it can make a big difference in the overall style of your website.